In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a component to a new file in Figma. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way, so you can quickly reuse your existing components across different files without having to rebuild anything from scratch. First, open your browser and log into your Figma account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is where all of your projects and files live. Take a moment to locate the project that contains the component you want to duplicate. This might be a design system file, a UI kit, or just a regular project where you originally created the component. Click to open that project file. When the file loads, look through your layers panel or your canvas to find the component you want to copy. If you're not sure where it is, you can use the search field at the top of the layers panel and type the component's name to quickly locate it. Once you've found it, click on the component to select it. Make sure you are selecting the actual component or a main instance, not just a random frame, so that all of its properties come along when you copy it. With the component selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. This copies the component to your clipboard, just like copying text in a document. Now, go back to your Figma dashboard. You can do this by clicking the Figma logo or using the back navigation until you see your list of files again. From here, choose the file where you want to place the copy of that component. Open that file and wait for the canvas to load. Once you're inside the new file, click anywhere on the canvas where you want the component to appear. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. Figma will place the duplicated component into this file, keeping its size, style, and structure intact. You can move it around, rename it, or organize it into your own component library within this file. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a component from one Figma file into another using simple copy and paste. This is a quick way to reuse your existing work, stay consistent in your designs, and speed up your workflow across multiple projects.